Hello everyone. This is Mr. Rajkumar, Assistant Professor in Mangalayatan University, Department of School of Pharmacy. So we will discuss today now tissue and their different type of tissue like connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. So basically, first of all, connective tissue. So now first of all is connective tissue. Connecting means one, two or more are compound connects called connective. So these are various type of connective tissue. These are basically provide the supports, protects and gives structure of the human livings and living wings various and others. The tissue and organs in the body, connective tissue is made up of cells, fibers, and a gel-like substance. Type of connective tissue including bone, cartilage, fat, blood, and lymphatic tissue. So basically, this type of connective tissue, the connect the whole body, one organ to other organ. So basically, upper limb, lower limb, upper part, lower part means like all body are connects with the help of connective tissue. So there are various part of connective tissue and having the various characters like cell for parts contain large amount of extracellular matrix and classified based on the type extract matrix and functions. Example: blast cell, blood clast cell, scar. And extracellular matrix contain three compounds uh, like protein, fiber, ground substance and fluid. Basically the ground substance known as a protein and sugars. Type of proteins: fiber, collagen fiber. These are look like a rope and are flexible but rest stretching. And that's a reticular fiber supporting networks that files space between organ and tissue. And the elastic tissue known as the recall after being stretched. And these are very important and they having the stretching abilities like stretch. And the connective tissue are the having following functions like one is enclosed separates example around organ and muscle. These connective tissue are whole body around the muscles. And second one is connective tissue, example tendons connect bone to muscle. Tendon means this part are to a like middle parts within the muscles and bones. So these are one to other bones are connect. And next one is ligament. So ligament can be connect to bone and ligament work like to only bone to bone connects. And next one is the support and movement. So basically this support and movement provide the bones. And bone are a various hard connective type tissue. Fourth one is storage. So mean storage mean any substance stored particularly connected tissue. A example like bone store calcium and adipose tissue stores and fat. So these are various substance. Uh, Bones are stores and these are make a very hard connective tissue. And next one is collagen and insulate. Collagen insulate example adipose tissue protects organ and help conversion hat. So these are protects the other organ, and next one is transport. So basically some part of transport of connected tissue like a blood. So blood is various liquid connective tissue, and these are following the various character like heart to other organ and other organ to heart, so transport various substance like various uh, various type oxygen, carbon dioxide, and etc other parts to essential of the human body. And next one is protect. So these are cells to provide the immune cells. So these are following classification of connective tissue. These are loose, areolar connective tissue. So loose are in which the loose connective tissue are the breakdown, and these are called the areolar tissue. And second one is adipose tissue. These are following type: dense connective tissue, dense collagen connective tissue. Collagen, the example of collagen fiber arranged in the same direction, and collagen fiber arranged many direction. So these are individual direction and some other direction. And next one is dense elastic connective tissue, like elastic fiber arranged in the some direction, and elastic fiber arranged in many direction. And next one is cartilage. Cartilage mean the hallux cartilage, fibrocartilage, elastic cartilage. And elastic cartilage mean having the elasticity and stretching capability. So these are called the elasticity. These are reform, and reform make a nature of. And next one is bone and blood. So this type ordinary connective tissue. So loose connective tissue means very loose. So these are found in the following part of body: between organelles, muscles, gland, and skins. And these are having structured collagens, fibers for a parts, and function is support and products. So these are provide the other organ supports and protects. So these are called the loose connective tissue. So basically these are structure तो of skin is a superficial layer. So you may the skin just needs a loose connected tissue, and just down is a muscles, and loose connective tissue having a fatty like substance, as you will see in it. These are following loose or allural and connective tissue. And next is dense like connective tissue, like tendons, ligament, and skin. And these are following type structure like collagens, fiber packed close together, and etc. So these connective tissue having following functions: connect and can without pulling force. So next one is adipose tissue are following other parts. uh, these are like under skin and around organ. So these are found in under of skin and around of various organ, mean charol. And these are having following structure like collagen and elastic fiber cells filled with the lipids. And these are function as for a storage, insulate, and collagen. So these are time storage, sometime and cartilage. And cartilage like then type of connective tissue composed of carbohydrate, contains collagens and withstand comparisons, providing support, flexibility in strength. So support make a very uh, organs and flexibility like a elastic and fluctuation providing. Next one is type of cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, these are situated in the following areas like cover of ends of bones and structure may some like collagen fibers and various function reduce friction and fibrocartilage are located between the vertebra as colon like maybe reed ki haddi. So these are arranged the various type of vertebra like lumbar thoracic cervical and etc. These are various type of vertical vertebra. So each vertebrate are called a individual and in which capability of flexibility, and these are structure lots of collagen fibers and function can be withstand compression. And next one is elastic cartilage. And elastic cartilage location of various areas ear and tip of nose. These are very elastic mean regenerate of her natural form. So these are elastic cartilage and structure like stylic and fibers like mean yeah, flexibility and function it can recall means a reform. So these are recall. And next one is bone. So bone connective type of tissue are very important role in the human beings and other living beings like animals and etc. So basically in bone are providing a human structures and these are basically various hard type connective tissue, and this is our two type. One is compact and second then spongy. So one compact mean and so and second then is composed of osteocytes. So these are basically bones are composed to osteocytes, and basically two type of bones. Number one, compact bone is of individual different type of threads are fused and make a compact bone, and this compact are around the whole spongy like fluids. So these are compact part, and the outer part of bone are called the compact bone. So these are very hardened parts and in which the including regenerating the part of bones. And second then spongy bone may be like a elasticity or these are found in the vertebrate column and some flexible other bones. So these are basically two type. And the composed of osteocytes mean those sites are different osteoclast and osteoblast. And now basically these are blood, these are liquid type connective tissue, and these are fused of various type of cells and like erythrocyte leukocyte platelet, and the blood are maybe various type function. These are transport of food, oxygens, waste, fats and hormones. So the blood is a liquid type connective, and this having the following type characters, and different cells are in which include like erythrocyte means RBC mean red blood corpus, and blood corpus having the hemoglobins and various Rh factors. So these are these are depend on the color of blood, and this basically are likely human blood like 4.5 to 6 per million mq, and leukocyte already called WBC. So WBC means white blood corpuscles. So white blood corpuscles also called the defense system of the body, in which the various cells are include like monocyte, lymphocyte, leukocyte, and various. So these are protect the bacteria, virus, and these are a very important role in the blood. And third one is platelets, and platelets mean like a these are very an important role, and these are the platelet having 2.5 million to 3.5 million in per cube. And so these are basically a very important part of connective tissue. And last one is nervous tissue. So basically nervous tissue are found having the two nerve cells and nerve body. Basically nerve cell and nerve body are found in the CNS, and CNS are central nervous system, and CNS are consist of brain and spinal cord. Spinal cord are completely by the made up of spinals and cartilage. So spinal cord are situated in which the cartilage. So these are various important, basically these are not contain centrioles because these are not developed and not regenerate. So first time and these are first time are destroyed in nervous cells and nervous tissue, so these are not capable to regenerate. So these are various in small quantity, whole body like 2%. These are very only 2% part are present in the whole body. So these are complete your connective tissue and muscular and nervous tissue. So second then is various having connective tissue function like supporting protection, give structure. Connective tissue the also provide structure of the body. So next one is muscular tissue. Muscular type tissue are basically like related to muscles, and these are following three type: skeletal muscular tissue, and cardiac muscular tissue, and smooth muscular tissue. So skeletal muscle tissue are found in the around of bones. So these are called of skeletal like muscles, and the cardiac type muscular tissue are found in the cardiac. And the next one is smooth muscles are various smooth muscle found in the any type organ. These are not are under the body because these are only having self work. These are not any control. These are not control of the body. It's called all smooth muscles. So this one complete connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. So thank you. Next chapter again.